Hey, you're getting another bed chat. I am in Port Townsend, but I again just played the little nips and little bits of footage that I had prepared for you, and it is not cohesive at all. So came home from LA, spent one night in my bed, and then got up the next day with the intention of driving up to Port Townsend for a trunk show. However, it snowed and dumped 10 inches on Portland. So I had to wait until the afternoon and the roads were clear enough, and honestly, the highway was open. It did open around 2 o'clock, and I got out of Portland. And that cue to the next clip where you hear me at Centralia charging up and super. Can you hear the excitement in my voice? Wait for it. I'm super excited to be out of Portland because this girl is not a snow girl. However, I'm well trained. I learned to drive in Spokane, and I spent years living there in the snow. So I am not unfamiliar with snow driving, and the car we drive is like a solid lead stone on the ice. It's just really heavy and solid. So it's pretty easy to drive on the snow. However, I got out and I drove up to Port Townsend. I made it out. I drove through town. It was fine. I mean, it was bad. There was a parking lot sections, but I'm in Centralia now and charging. And I was going to take, because I know Ilian will see this, I want him to see what the ice and snow have done to the wheels. It's kind of crazy. Okay, I'm going to turn you around to see it. It's like completely lodged in there, and every time I turn the wheels, it rubs. I just tried to kick it off. There's no kicking that off. And the license plate in the front, completely obscured. I'm not sure that's legal. So much ice. So much ice. And then I kicked some off in the back. It's a little looser in the back. But then that's going to happen. That's going to fall out when I go. Kind of crazy. The weather here, no snow, nothing, is kind of crazy because I swear Portland, it didn't even start till Wilsonville. And then Portland was like buried in hell. Although I got to say, it cleared off. People were panicking for no reason, for some of them. And then as soon as I hit Vancouver, that was that. It was done. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'll come back and talk to you later when I get to Port Townsend. Hey, hello. You're going to get a video from me in Port Townsend for your Saturday viewing. I arrived at 8 p.m. just before they closed, and she went off duty for the night. The hotel owner. They have like a restaurant downstairs too, which I'll show you tomorrow. But I am, I believe, on the water side of the hotel. This is the Bishop Hotel, downtown Port Townsend. It's old. I remember coming into the lobby years ago, like the first time I came to Port Townsend, we walked into this whole hotel into the lobby because it owned, or it was co-owned for the Swan Hotel. Now, I know this, well, this one used to be for sale. It was for sale 2 years ago. So maybe they bought both of them. I don't know. Anyway, this one, they like really remodeled the lobby, and it's now a modern place instead of a Victorian old historic thing, which I kind of find sad. But then I come upstairs and I'm like, ooh, this is old. And it's got the Victorian part left. So I don't know. I would do it much differently. I wouldn't have retained the brick walls on the outside, and there's a lot of the decor that I would change, but it is pretty darn cool, and it's quite nice and very, very clean. So, yeah, I'm going to enjoy my little stay here. I'm by myself because my husband had too much work to do. So, I'm going to chill for a couple of days in Port Townsend with the gals at the Bazaar Girls, and I will show you some video footage there. Good morning. I've already had a coffee. I'm up bright and early getting ready for the Kokomo trunk show at Bazaar Girls in their new location in Port Townsend. And believe me, they have a spectacular spot. They took the whole building, 2-3 years ago when David and I were last here, maybe last year, I don't remember. This building was for sale for like 1.2 million, something like that. I wish desperately that we could afford it because I've always dreamed of owning a schoolhouse. Well, a contractor bought it, fixed it up, and Bazaar Girls is renting the whole thing upstairs and down. Upstairs is an event space that you can rent for any reason. They have dances up there, Numaka said. They have luncheons, meetings. There's dance classes up there for children. And then the Waldorf School has been doing some stuff up there. And then today, there's a Gansey class upstairs. And then downstairs is the shop. Huge shop with lots of back rooms. It's very cool, very, very cool. So I'm going to flip you around and show you, and then we're going to walk in real quick. There's the building right there. And then let's walk. Here is the beautiful school building. And we're at the corner of Quincy and Washington. There's a cute little courtyard to knit outside. And then front door. And the shop.
Okay, I'm gonna go get that bucket and
There's a sitting room down in here for classes. And another classroom back here. I'm doing a video. Say hi, Carrie.
hi!
Here's our little setup for our little trunk show. And the samples have been spread throughout the place. There's one. Another classroom. So great. And then later on, I'll show you upstairs. Okay, now we're going upstairs to see the upstairs area. They didn't get any carpet. It's dirty already. Little storage area. Bathroom. Oh my God. No, you're okay. Sorry. I wanted to see the upstairs space.
I'm Christy, by the
Hi.
way. Hi. Your name is?
Tina.
Tina.
I'm the Kokomo-y.
You're what?
I'm the Kokomo distributor.
Oh, yeah.
I bring it
Okay.
into the U.S. and
Yeah.
shunt it out.
Nice.
I move too fast on this thing usually, so I'm purposefully slowing down. I hope you liked that video. If you did and want to see more like it, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe to the station or the channel if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you get notified when there are new videos. There should be another one tomorrow, but I can't guarantee it. We may have to slip back to twice a week, but I'm uploading a little sooner now. Yeah, I will see you at the next video, whenever that is. Bye.